Hey guys, it's Erin, and today I'm going to show you how to do these rose gold X nails. For this design, I used all nail polishes from Sally Hansen's new Insta-Dri line. As always, you can find the details of any polishes or supplies I used in the description box below. So first I'm applying a base coat, and then I'm using this color called Buff and Tumble, and I'm painting it on my pinky, index, and thumbnails. And as you can see, the brush on these polishes is really well shaped, so it makes painting your nails really easy in just a few strokes. Then I'm painting my ring finger with white on thyme, and using this metallic shade called Pedal to the Metal on my middle nail. And for each of these polishes, I'm doing a second coat, and as you can see, they're all opaque in 2 coats. I especially love Pedal to the Metal. I think it is such a pretty metallic rose gold. On my ring finger, I'm applying a layer of top coat over the white just to make sure that it's completely dry because I'm using a vinyl on that nail. Now I'm taking this right angle nail vinyl from Snail Vinyls and making sure I get all of the little stickers from the inside out. I find it really helpful to stick it onto the back and then peel it off again. Now using tweezers, I'm setting it on my nail. And then I'm taking this Mess No More liquid latex and painting it all around the edges of the vinyl just to make sure I have no cleanup later. Then with a makeup sponge and that same metallic rose gold polish, I'm sponging it over the vinyl on my ring finger. I like using the sponge because I find that it helps from flooding the vinyl and making sure that the lines are cleaner. And then while the polish is still wet, I'm peeling everything off with tweezers. If there are a few little mistakes in your lines, just do what I did and take a small brush to correct them. Now I'm taking a dotting tool and the white polish I used earlier to create some small little accents on my pinky, thumb, and index nails. I'm also using that metallic rose gold. Finally, I'm applying a top coat to all my nails. And that's the finished design. I really hope you guys liked it. If you want to see more pictures and information about this mani, then click here or click the link in the description to read more on my blog. Also, I'm about 15 subscribers away from 3,000, which is super exciting. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do. I think I'm going to be doing a face behind the nails and maybe even a giveaway when I hit that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what design you want to see next.